Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and eliminating simple causes. Check battery level and plug into a known good charger so the display isn't blind from low power. Once done, inspect the screen edges for debris, cracks, or liquid that could affect touch. Remove any case and gently clean. If the display is frozen or unresponsive, perform a force restart by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding power until the Apple logo. This resets software state without erasing your data. You now test software causes by updating iPad OS. Go to Settings General Software Update and install any available patch, because many display bugs are fixed in updates. Next, make sure accessibility settings like Reduce White Point, Night Shift, or True Tone aren't distorting the screen. Disable them briefly to verify. If the screen remains blank or shows odd artifacts, connect to a Mac or PC and attempt recovery or DFU mode restore. This addresses deep firmware corruption. You finish by isolating hardware faults. If you feel comfortable and have the right tools, inspect the display connector for a loose or corroded cable, because physical connections often cause flicker or black screens. Once done, where possible, test with an external display on USB-C iPads to determine if the GPU/video output is intact versus the LCD assembly. If the problem persists, make sure to contact Apple or an authorized repair provider. Get a diagnostic and estimate so you know whether screen replacement or board repair is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.